Welcome to the channel today. We are going to be solving one linear, one quadratic equation today. Solve the simultaneous equations. As you can see, the first one is linear equation, the second one is quadratic equation. Let us name them equation 1 and equation 2. The linear equation is easier to work with, that is 3x minus y equals to 3. So what we are going to do is to get the value of y in that equation by moving minus y to the other side and 3 to this side. So we are going to have 3x minus 3 equals to y. So let's call it equation 3. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to substitute this value of y into equation 2. That is, anywhere we see y, we are going to put 3x minus 3. So in equation 2, 9x squared minus y squared equals to 45. So anywhere we see y, we are going to put 3x minus 3. So let's do that. So we are going to have 9x squared minus 3x minus 3 raised to power 2 equals to 45. 3x minus 3 raised to power 2, we are going to expand it. We are going to solve it differently. So let's do that now. 3x minus 3 raised to power 2 means 3x minus 3 in two places. So we are going to have 3x into bracket 3x minus 3 minus 3 into bracket 3x minus 3. So 3x times 3x will give us 9x squared. Then 3x times 3 will give us minus 9x minus 9x. Then minus 3 times minus 3, that's plus 9. So we are going to have 9x squared minus 9x minus 9x minus 18x plus 9. So 9x squared minus 18x plus 9, we are going to move it. We are going to insert it, replace it. Replace 3x minus 3x raised to power 2 with it. So we have 9x squared minus 18x plus 9 equals to 45. Let us open the brackets. So when we open the brackets, we have 9x squared minus 9x squared plus 18x minus 9 equals to 45. 9x squared minus 9x squared will give us 0. That's 0. So we are left with 18x minus 9 equals to 45. Collect the like terms. So we have 18x equals to 45 plus 9. 18x equals to 54. Divide both sides by 18. X equals to 54 divided by 18. So x is equals to 3. So after getting the value of x, you need to get the value of y. So from equation 3, we have y equals to 3x minus 3. So we're going to substitute for x equals to 3 to get y in equation 3. So anywhere you see x, put 3. So we have y is equals to 3 into bracket 3 minus 3. That means y is equals to 3 times 3, that's 9 minus 3. And y is equals to 6. So which means x is equals to 3, y equals to 6. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.